Wolf Knob, second attempt. It's a little moister today than I've tried it in a long time. Usually I make it up the first time, but today I didn't. So that makes me wonder if I'll even make it today. Nope, not a good sign. Not a good sign. I got farther than the last time. If I was over there, probably make it. This is the line you want. Over here. Nope. Nope. There's a root right there. That's a root, it's not a rock. That makes it a bitch. I should have had it that time. Should have had it. Yeah, I should have had it that time. Even though I flubbed up and lost all my speed at the bottom. I got past where we've been, but I'd lost my momentum. I got past it, but right there is where you gotta carry it. Now that's, if we needed to get out of here, that's the way we could go out. Ryan's messed up already. That's the way we came in. And you got to go up the point of no return hill. And it's not as bad as what we're trying to get up now. The alternate. But we've always gotten out. You get over here, you can go out this way. And it's all downhill for the most part. But you're stuck in between all this. You're twixt in between.